Hey guys, how are we doing? Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. And to be honest guys, I'm going to need you to listen to this whole video because I've got a lot to talk about. I'm going to jump straight into it, but basically what I'm going to talk about is some price action. I'm going to talk about XRP. I'm going to talk about XRP ledger and some things that are going on, and then I'm going to finish it there. So to start off, gold is absolutely sending it still. Yesterday we had a bit of a pullback in the afternoon in gold, and then today it's picked back up again. This is something that I've been watching for. I've been talking about the potential of when gold finds its resistance level and then hopefully rotating some of the market cap that gold's gained into crypto. The DXY also yesterday did push up high and then started to bleed out a little bit, but then some of that bleeding has gone into gold and not really into crypto itself. I charted Bitcoin yesterday and I wonder if it's still going to be on there. Lovely, it is. I charted that we're still in Puketober. I said that I thought we were going to continue downwards. However, there could be a short-term bounce because of every single time we've been in the oversold area on the RSI, we have seen a short-term bounce. Have we had that bounce already? Is that little tiny bit there? I don't know. But if you look at open interest, I basically said we could bounce off this trend line here, come back into this box and then flush out, or we could just push straight through this trend line and continue down. And that's when you're going to see some cascading stop losses get hit, and realistically at least the 50k range personally, maybe to the 47, 46k range as well. But we'll see when or if that happens and if I'm right. Going on to XRP. This could be not a bad time to enter depending on whether Bitcoin gets that flush out or not. Open interest has come down a little bit for XRP, and we have, because we've also taken the recent stop losses. So anyone who was in long positions who had stop losses below this level here all got wicked out yesterday. I have drawn this box out here because if we basically, there's going to be more liquidity in this area, 48 cent. And if I show you on trading different, let me show you. I did post this chart on trading different, essentially showing that XRP at 48 cent makes quite a lot of sense because of where I've just showed you the stop losses there. But as you can see also on trading different, you can see some of the open interest has been flushed out. If we look, bang that open interest out there, and there'll be further open interest taken out if we get down to this 48 cent level. Look, it starts to get quite deep in liquidity there, which I think probably does make some sense. People have stop losses in there. Maybe we tag that if Bitcoin flushes. I don't know. That's something that I'm really watching out for, but I did put a tweet out yesterday or the day before saying we're more and more likely to hit that area, especially if Bitcoin makes the pullback that we're looking for. XRP versus Bitcoin is still in this reactionary level. Could we wick into this area here, just below the reactionary box? Maybe. It would be good to see a higher low get formed here on XRP Bitcoin and basically confirm on a larger time frame that we are going to be heading up very soon. It would be cool to see us create a higher low in price action. As I said, that would be perfect. Or if we look for a bullish divergence, if we actually create a lower low in price action but a higher low on the RSI, that would be pretty good too. So these are things I'm watching for. XRP Bitcoin, XRP ETH as well. Starting to gain some momentum back against ETH. And remember, when we had this move up last time, XRP gained on ETH before it gained on Bitcoin. So that could be a little heads up for that right now. So to finish this video, I am going to talk about what I actually genuinely think is changing the world. But before that, I'm going to just quickly show you guys the XRP memes. I personally have been trading XRP memes a little bit. I haven't put much capital in there myself, but getting involved in the ecosystem has been an eye-opener for me personally. I always was quite skeptical of meme coins in general. As you guys know, I'm I'd say quite a sensible trader. I've never really chased liquidity or anything like that. I'm still not chasing liquidity. I put a little bit in, Brito specifically at the start, and I'm still holding that. Probably won't ever sell it, but I don't know what will happen down the line. Like if I make a shitload, maybe, but it's not my plan. My plan was to buy some and actually try and get involved in a community and see what it's like, try and explore this meme coin hype. And that's what I've been doing, and it's been fantastic, to be absolutely honest with you. I've really enjoyed it so far. Being part of a community that so far Brito's grown to 421 followers over on X, which is fantastic. The Telegram's got over 220 people in it, maybe towards 250. I can't actually remember off the top of my head. The amount of holders of Brito is growing substantially. The market cap's at 271k right now, and the holders is at 1,000 and over 1,080 holders, which personally I believe is it's incredible. Like, it's fantastic. And I want to, it looks like it could break out as well, actually, looking at that. But shout out to other meme coins like Drop, completely community ran as far as I'm aware. I think Alex Cobb created that and then burnt his dev account, which is fantastic. And that's actually managed to breach $2.4 million. So there's some attention coming to the space. Definitely don't get involved with GOAT, in my opinion. It's just a scam. And some people got confused with what I was saying yesterday in my title of my video. The GOAT I'm going to talk about and was talking about is completely different. It's on a different chain. This GOAT coin is trying to copy that. Unsure on Bear, haven't looked into it. Scrap I'm a little bit cautious of because there is a big wallet in there, but it could have just been someone who sniped early. But I actually really don't like. It's too professional. I think it was launched by some of the ex-punk boys, and I've got nothing against them, but like I don't like it when someone's come in to try and launch a professional meme. I think memes are about community and culture, and I don't think that is what it is. It kind of reminds me of like Roost token, which eventually went to zero after a really hyped, not was zero, I don't know, actually haven't checked, so I'm just speaking out my arse there, but died off because it was clearly people just trying to drain liquidity from their community. I don't know if that's what Bert are going to do, but the professional like side of it, I really don't like. Shwepe, I think that's a community takeover now. I think the dev sold out, and so if it is, then that's pretty cool. Buzz, scam. Tabby, not sure. Brepe, also quite cool, but Brito is the one that I am obviously holding and involved with in the community chat, because I just think if you rally behind something and try and get more eyes on the XRP ledger in general, then we can probably push this out and get other users coming in from other spaces. I've had some Hedera people come over, some people from Solana who want to get in early on meme coins. One little tip I would give you, if you just go on tokens, you go on, where's trading? Volume. If you're on total volume, that'll give you a good idea of like what people are trading. And as you can see, Brito's like fourth on that, even though the market cap isn't the highest. People are actually trading in and out of the token, so you can see in a way like what's fake and what's not. So that's just a little tip for you there. But yeah, also look at holders as well. Brito's got over 1,000 holders now, which is fantastic. They're the things that I basically keep my eye on. But yeah, hope that helps you guys with your trading. Just be careful. You can lose everything very easily. I wouldn't be buying it for the investment side of things. I'd buy it for the community aspect. And then once you understand that and get in the community, then you hopefully will join a community that will together try and raise the value of the token. That's basically the thought process. So finally, I'm going to talk to you about that GOAT token, not the GOAT that's a scam on the XRP ledger, the other one. This GOAT token is created by Truth Terminal, which is an AI on Twitter, and 132,000 followers now. Someone created an AI and coded it with philosophical values, and basically taught it to learn what humans know, and then it went on Twitter and it learned about memes, about memetics, and then it taught itself to basically launch a token. It didn't have capacity to have a wallet, so a human actually made that for it, and then it actually pumped this token and basically has sent this token to 800 odd million market cap as of right now. Let me see. Dex Screener. If we look at Dex Screener, I'm just going to get this GOAT token open for you so you can actually see what's going on here. GOAT. This is the token that I'm talking about. It's not the shitty one on the XRP ledger. It's this. It's got up to $780 million. It actually blows my mind and makes me feel a little bit scared when I talk about it. I fucking have no idea what this means for the future. You've got a bot, an AI, an artificial intelligence, a robot that's made a token that has managed to gain in the since the 10th of October, so 2 weeks, it's gained $800 million in value, or pushed $800 million of value to a token. What the fuck does this mean for the future? What happens when there's more of these? What happens when they're talking to each other? What happens when they're paying each other? What happens when they can create their own blockchains with their own information that we completely don't understand, and they can cycle that round to each other? What does that mean for humanity, society, finance? What does this mean? We are seeing a financial revolution in front of our eyes, and I wish people would just listen and just look at what is going on. I really, really wish that. I'm going to end this video there, but like, guys, open your eyes to this, please, and just comment below and let me know what you're thinking about this, because it made me feel a little bit sick when I started going around my head with thoughts about this earlier. if they're this smart and they can understand human psychology and meme culture or whatever this quickly, in 2 weeks it can create $800 million of value. What does that mean to the future of finance? What does that mean for us in crypto? What does that mean for us as humanity? This is just one aspect of it, a financial meme coin aspect. What happens when this is about something bigger, or finance in general, or it just lolls on the fucking financial system and somehow breaks it? Like, I don't know if these things are possible, but these are the things that are going through my head. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, seriously. I used to think it was a dystopian future, talking about things like that potentially down the line, and now I think it's fucking here. So pay attention, guys, because this is genuinely important. Please share this video because I want more people to see this, because this part specifically is super important to me, and I want to know more about what you guys think. Right, let me know in the comments. If you did enjoy, please do subscribe and hit a like button. Peace up, A-Town down, as Crypto Insight UK would say.